Yeah, this is another project that I have built. This is called a ChunkAI, and it's especially useful for students. Even I use it a lot of myself. So let me quickly show you how it actually works. So we can actually type a project idea here, and after submitting, it automatically breaks the project into step-by-step chunks. So I will show you in a minute. So after writing the project idea, if we say go, so here it generates the chunks step by step project. So each chunk explain what needs to be done, and everything gets saved to a database. So you can view anytime in history. So here it is, and by clicking each chunk it's give more description about what are the things that need to be done in this step. And there is also a cool feature in this project, which is update, because sometimes in the middle of the project we will get some new ideas. I mean, we need to add some additional features to this project. So I will show you in a minute. So for this above project, instead of so we just add a new feature, like instead of manually giving the topic, if a user is learning on ChatGPT, so that exact topic is need to be taken by the extension automatically. So that's what I have given. Let's see what it should updating or not. Yep. So here it need to update. Yes, here is the updated script. Implementation content script to capture user input on ChatGPT. So, and once the chunk is actually done, you can mark it as completed, kind of like crossing of task in a checklist, and you can even reset to it's complete, and everything should be saved in database. So for example, if we close it and again if we open it, we can see the history. Those are actually striked off. So it follows a flow similar to SDLC process, but in a more interactive and visual way. It actually boosts some encouragement while completing the projects in chunks. Like, it's really simple. So now coming to the tech stack, uh, I use Node.js and Flask for my backend framework and React for my frontend framework. This is a Node.js, and I use Flask as my backend framework too. And I use for frontend I use React.js. And coming to database, I use MongoDB. For AI processing, I actually integrate Meta Maverick Free API to break down the projects into logical chunks. So we can see the prompt here. This is I will say this is the update section. Wait a minute. So this is how it's. You are AI that help beginners build product to break them into. So I just give the user prompt and it just generated like this, and I fetch everything into a card like structure, and that's how it actually works. So this is this is where students can see their entire project roadmap in one place. So it gives clarity and makes big projects feel manageable.